Welcome to my channel. My name is Raimundo. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk to you a little bit on troubleshooters. Troubleshooters are computer programs aimed to solve issues or problems which arise when we are using Windows. For example, if we are recording audio or if we are playing a video, or if we are using a Windows functionality like Windows Update, certain problems could arise. In order to fix those problems automatically, we can use troubleshooters from Windows 7. There are two main ways to access the troubleshooters from Windows. The first way, and the most commonly used way, is by accessing the Action Center. We have to click on the Action Center icon, open Action Center, and then we can see that the Action Center window is displayed. We have to go to the bottom of the window and click on the option called Troubleshooting. Once we click on this option, we can see a listing with different troubleshooters for different problems. For example, we can find troubleshooters for printers issues. We can find troubleshooters for internet issues. We can find troubleshooters for programs made for previous versions of Windows, etc. So we can find a wide range of troubleshooters aimed to solve different kinds of problems. For example, imagine that I am using Windows Update and suddenly a problem occurs. So I decide that I'm gonna solve that problem by using Windows Update's troubleshooters. So I click on the option called Fix Problems with Windows Update. I click on this option, I wait for a little while, and suddenly the troubleshooter window is displayed. I have to click on the advanced option and deselect the option Apply Repairs Automatically in order to see a listing with potential problems and potential solutions. Then I click on the next button and I can see that the troubleshooter is looking for solutions, is detecting problems right now. This process takes a while, but it is quite fast, and we can see that a list of potential solutions is being shown in order to see what we can do in order to solve the problem. So once we see the problem, we click on the next button, and we can see that the problems are being resolved. Well, this might take longer, so I'm gonna click on Cancel in order to make it more simple. Well, this is one option, one way to access the troubleshooters. The other way available available for accessing troubleshooters is by going to the website. Aimed to provide support to Windows users. This website is called support. The URL address for this website is support.microsoft.com. Once we are in this web page or website, we go to the bottom of the web page, and we click on the Microsoft Fixit downloads. We wait for a while, and suddenly we can see that there are many options from which we can select the kind of problems that we have in our systems. We can see that there are problems related to Windows, there are problems related to Internet Explorer, there are problems related to Windows Media Player. So supposing we have a problem with Windows Update, we then have to click on Windows, and then a listing is shown below that requires that we have to specify the problem that we are dealing with. So right now, if we have a problem with Windows Update, then we have we are facing problems related to install or upgrade software or hardware. And then another listing appears, and we have to specify exactly what the problem, what problem are we talking about. Here we select Windows Update, and suddenly a listing of troubleshooters is shown below. So we have to select the troubleshooter that we feel is more useful for the problem we are dealing with. So we click on the option called Run Now, and the troubleshooter will be downloaded immediately. Well, almost immediately. Once the troubleshooter is downloaded, we have to click on the troubleshooter and follow the instructions, and there is a high probability that the problem we are facing will be resolved. So these are the two main ways how we can access troubleshooters in order to solve the issues we are dealing with. So I hope this little tutorial it's been useful, and well, see you later. Thanks for watching. See you later.